Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you the honest breakdown of the products you're thinking about bringing into your home. Today, we're looking at the Sanitaire Professional Tradition Upright Vacuum in blue, a commercial-rated vacuum designed for light-duty tasks but built to last. It's a vacuum that promises to handle your cleaning needs without the complexity, focusing on performance and ease of use. Let's see how it stacks up. The Sanitaire Professional Tradition is a straightforward, no-nonsense vacuum that targets businesses and households that need reliable, efficient cleaning. It features a motor designed to last for more than 500 hours, ensuring longevity and durability for heavy use. But how does that translate into real-world cleaning? Well, the power behind the motor is enough to handle daily messes across a range of floor types. Whether you're cleaning commercial spaces or just need a solid vacuum for your home, the motor ensures consistent suction power throughout the cleaning session. One thing that stands out with this model is its large capacity bag, which holds up to 11 quarts of dirt and debris. If you've ever been frustrated by having to stop every 20 minutes to empty a tiny dustbin, this feature might feel like a game changer. It allows you to clean longer without interruptions, a real bonus if you're working on a bigger job. However, being a bagged vacuum, you'll need to factor in the cost and inconvenience of buying replacement bags over time. When it comes to ergonomics, this vacuum hits the mark. Weighing in at just 15 pounds, it's light enough to maneuver around the house or business with ease. Transporting it from room to room or from one floor to another doesn't require a lot of effort. The 15-pound weight is reasonable, even for extended cleaning sessions, making it a comfortable choice compared to heavier commercial vacuums. One of the highlights here is the design aimed at user-friendliness. Sanitaire's vacuum is built for quick and simple maintenance. The tool-free brush roll and belt replacement system make it easy to replace parts when needed. The metal clip bag release system is another thoughtful feature, making it a breeze to remove and replace the large capacity bag. You won't find yourself fumbling with complicated mechanisms when it's time for maintenance. But a note of caution: those who aren't familiar with commercial vacuums may need a bit of time to adjust to its unique maintenance setup. In terms of suction performance, the vacuum is built for tough jobs, and it doesn't disappoint. Whether you're working on commercial carpets, office floors, or home spaces with different types of flooring, the suction power is consistent. While it isn't designed for fine-tuned cleaning like some high-end residential models, it gets the job done on both carpets and hard floors without losing steam. The brushes do a solid job lifting dirt, but it might struggle a bit with heavier debris on thicker carpets. Real-world usage of the Sanitaire Professional Tradition is all about its efficiency. It's not the most quiet machine in the market, but its noise level is typical of a commercial-grade vacuum. Not silent, but certainly not unbearable. As for maneuverability, it handles well on flat surfaces, but its upright design might make it a bit bulky for tight corners or under low furniture. Still, its lightweight frame helps mitigate that issue to some extent, making it an easy choice for larger spaces, where the vacuum can run more freely. Now, let's talk about maintenance. One thing that sets this model apart from many others is the low maintenance cost. With the easy-to-replace brush roll and belt system, as well as a bag design, you won't find yourself needing to invest heavily in replacement parts often. However, the bags do need replacing eventually, and those ongoing costs could add up depending on how frequently you use the vacuum. If you're wondering how this vacuum compares to other options, there are a few things worth considering. For example, if you're looking at other similar models in the same price range, such as the Hoover Commercial Hush Tone, you'll find a similar motor life and suction performance. However, the Sanitaire edges out many in terms of ease of use and maintenance. The Hoover model is quieter, but the Sanitaire has an edge when it comes to bag capacity and its overall streamlined design. On the other hand, if you're comparing this vacuum to a high-end model like the Dyson Ball Animal 2, it's important to note that while the Dyson offers more advanced filtration and is better at picking up fine dust, the Sanitaire excels in long-term, heavy-duty performance and ease of repair. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum offers solid bang for your buck, especially if you're prioritizing durability and ease of use. For anyone running a business, or even just a home with a lot of traffic, the Sanitaire Professional Tradition can be a reliable workhorse. If you're in the market for something that can go the distance without constantly needing maintenance, this vacuum is a good fit. The large capacity bag and simple design mean fewer interruptions and less hassle, which is often worth the trade-off for the slightly higher upfront cost. As for longevity, it's clear that Sanitaire has designed this vacuum with the long haul in mind. With its durable motor and low-maintenance parts, it should serve well for years in commercial or residential settings. Users can expect reliable performance as long as they keep up with the basic care instructions. While we don't have long-term data on this specific model yet, the brand's reputation for durability and reliability in the commercial space is well established. For those who require customer service, Sanitaire has a good track record of handling warranty claims and providing support when needed. While we didn't need to contact them for this review, the vacuum's straightforward nature doesn't typically require a lot of after-sales care. To wrap things up, the Sanitaire Professional Tradition Upright Vacuum is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-maintain vacuum for both light commercial use and larger home spaces. It excels at handling everyday messes without the complexity of higher-end models, making it perfect for those who need power, capacity, and ease of use in a no-frills package. While it's not the quietest or most advanced in terms of filtration, its performance, especially for the price, makes it a solid option for budget-conscious buyers who want a vacuum that works as hard as they do. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. The link to get this vacuum is right in the comments box if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it clean.